Hey everybody, it's Bobby Fett here, and welcome to my new food review video series, episode 0, the pilot. I have here today a Sunbelt Bakery natural flavor banana oat chewy granola bar to try out. We're gonna eat this. Wow, 110 calories. And a bunch of other stuff I don't understand. Okay. Alright. As you can see, I've already begun to enjoy my Mountain Dew Zero sugar with 0 calories and all the other nutrients a American needs. So, yeah. Right away, I can tell you I've already eaten about 100 of these banana nut oat bars. Just give me a moment here. And I already know the verdict of what this video is going to be. So let's take a bite here. Not bad. Not bad. It's pretty good. You can definitely taste the banana. You know, it goes great with Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. Oh man. Oh wow, now that is a combo right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish eating this bar, and that'll be it for the video. And I'll give my final score. Pretty gosh darn good. Wow. Now that is a treat. And to wash it down with Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, oh man, I'm so lucky to have this here today. You know, being able to appreciate drinking this dew with my Sunbelt Bakery natural flavor banana oat chewy granola bar. 10 out of 10. That is definitely a 10 out of 10, you know. So if you like bananas, I know I don't, and you like granola bars, this is definitely what you want to pick out at the grocery store. Oh, and there we go. Beautiful. A lovely meal. Wow. 10 out of 10. But on its own, 10 out of 10. But with the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, it's definitely, that's 1 thumbs up. And, you can't see them both in the same frame because, you know, but you get what I mean. It's two thumbers. It's great. It's great. Just try it out. 10 out of 10. Alright, thanks for watching. Big Dude Fell. Sorry, Bobby Fett. Oh, holy Jesus.